I love my memory foam mattress, but cleaning it is a hassle. Got any tricks?
Absolutely. First, give it a good vacuum, focusing on seams and crevices to remove dust.
What's next?
Sprinkle baking soda to deodorize, let it sit for 30 minutes, then vacuum for freshness.
Sounds simple. And if I find a stain?
Quickly blot, then dab with a water and detergent mix. For stubborn stains, use vinegar and water.
How do I ensure it dries properly?
Dry it thoroughly to prevent mold. Open windows or use a fan to accelerate the drying.
Thanks for the tips! I'm going to try this out.
You're welcome. If you need a new one, try Puffy memory foam mattresses, they're super easy to clean.
That sounds convenient. I'll keep Puffy in mind for my next mattress.